going to show you how to do like my favorite food. I learned how to do this from my mother, and it's called Budín Azteca or Aztec Lasagna or Aztec casserole. And the first thing we do is, these are fried tortillas. I fried them prior to this. I just pass them through really hot oil really fast, and that's to make them like a little bit hard. And after you put your tortillas in there, you put a little bit of salsa. This salsa you'll see in the recipe is made with tomatoes, tomato paste, chipotle, that's very important, and it can be thicker. This time my salsa was thin, but it can be quite thick. Garlic, onions, spices. I like Italian spices, but I also add a little bit of cayenne pepper in addition to the chipotle, because it has to be spicy. You add shredded chicken, which I prepared before. You add 1 layer of shredded cheese, and I shredded this before, like the day before. And then you add sour cream. This is light sour cream, but of course my mom did it with whole sour cream. There was no light anything back then in Mexico, because I come from Mexico. So another layer of sour cream on top of the shredded chicken, and frankly the order doesn't matter, but this is how I learned how to do it. Another layer of shredded cheese. We're going to put it in the oven, and this is going to melt, so it's going to be like a lasagna, but it's going to be a Mexican lasagna. Another layer of fried tortillas. Another layer of the salsa. And again, this was kind of too liquidy. I like it more solid, but it's never the same. I'm that kind of person who sometimes, especially from what I learned to cook from my mom, I do not follow recipes. I only follow recipes when it's something I just don't know how to do, that I don't have a lot of experience, that's something I did not learn from my mom. So the salsa, the shredded chicken, another layer. Now again, another layer of sour cream. Looks good. This is also like one of Roberto's favorite dishes, my camerographer here. And cheese again. And this is ready for the oven.